हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे। इस वीडियो में मैं लेके आई हूँ आईसीएसई की ज्योग्राफी की मैप वर्क। मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को मैप वर्क में हेल्प किया था, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं आपके साथ भी मैप वर्क शेयर कर लेती हूँ। स्टैंडर्ड 9 और 10 आईसीएसई में मैप वर्क देते हैं, जिनमें रिवर्स का मैप भी होते हैं, इंडिया के रिवर्स। तो मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करती हूँ जिस प्रकार से अपने क्लासेस में, उस तरह से मैंने सोचा मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर कर लूँ ये वीडियो, ताकि आपकी भी मैप लर्निंग में थोड़ी सी मदद हो जाएगी। यस फ्रेंड्स, तो ये इंडिया का मैप है रिवर्स वाला, जो आपको भी स्कूल्स में प्रोवाइड किया जाता होगा। और मैप वर्क 10 मार्क्स के आते ही हैं आईसीएसई के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में। स्टैंडर्ड 9 में भी वही पैटर्न है जो स्टैंडर्ड 10 में फॉलो होता है। तो मैं इस प्रकार से बच्चों को समझाती हूँ दैट डिवाइड द मैप इनटू 4 डायरेक्शंस, दैट इज ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ एंड द सेंट्रल पार्ट. So this is the river map of India. And just talking about the northern part of India, where we have the Indus River and its tributaries. So here is the very first river is the Indus River. Then you have Jhelum, then you have Chenab, then you have Ravi, then you have Bias, then you have Satluj. Just you can mark it serially. The black lines marked there. The very first is Indus, then you have Jhelum, then you have Chenab, then you have Ravi, then you have Bias, then you have Satluj. So you can say that Indus and its tributaries. So Indus is the main river and the rest 5 are tributaries. So it is rightly says, it is also rightly said, it is rightly said as that Punjab is said as the state of 5 rivers. Land of 5 rivers, Punjab. So sometimes they don't give you direct questions in the map pointing, they give you indirect questions. The question may come as mark the rivers, or that is Punjab is called the land of 5 rivers. So you'll mark the or point out the names of the 5 rivers. So this is how you have to point out. And one more thing, like here in the second line where you have marked Jhelum, that is first is Indus, second is Jhelum. The lower part of the Jhelum river is the Wular Lake. The lower part of the Jhelum river, not the upside part. So many a time students are confused whether the upper part or the lower part, which is actually the Wular Lake. So the very lower part or the tip of the Jhelum river is the Wular Lake marked there. Okay, and always your arrows means always the map pointing should be done with pencil, and your arrows should be pointing to the direction of the location. And one more thing, here I have not used the blue color, but you will be using the blue color, the pencil blue color for your river, for marking your rivers in the map. Okay, coming to the next part, talking about the foothills of the Himalayas. When we talk about the foothills of the Himalayas, here we have the northern plains where the Ganga river and the Yamuna river flows. So talking about, you can mark it like, see it in my map. I'm trying to show you closely. See, this is the very first one, is the Yamuna river. The very first one is the Yamuna river. Then just beside that, you have the Ganga river. And Yamuna river, the tributaries of Yamuna are, see, Chambal and Betwa. This Chambal and Betwa is the tributary of the Yamuna river. Then you have this side, when we move to the eastern side of Yamuna, we have the Ganga. We have the Ganga and with its tributaries. So for the second one is the Ganga. There's a line of rivers there. The first is Yamuna, the second is Ganga, the third is Gomati, then you have Ghagra, then you have the Gomati, then Ghagra, then you have Gandak, then you have Kosi. So Ganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. Can you see? Ganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. Yes. See, Ganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. See, Ghagra will come in the middle. First you have Ganga, then Gomati, then Ghagra in the middle, then you have Gandak, then you have Kosi. So this is how you can remember that Ghagra is the middle one. So Ganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. This is the Kosi river. Then coming to the eastern side, here it is said as that is the life source of Assam. Which river is said as the life source of Assam is like indirect question, can be given in map pointing. So Brahmaputra, this river Brahmaputra is said as the life source of Assam. Okay, and then coming to this side of the map, can you see this is the Damodar river. This is the Damodar river here. Damodar river, this is the Damodar river. Okay. Then coming to this side, oh, this is Odisha. This is Odisha. This is the west eastern Ghat. This is the eastern Ghat, and the eastern that is the eastern flowing rivers or rivers flowing in the eastern Ghat. The first one is Mahanadi. This is the Mahanadi. Just there's a point, there's a tip there. There's a tip there, which is the Chilka Lake. World's biggest lagoon is the Chilka Lake. I'm telling you again and again, the direct questions, sometimes the question paper does not give you direct questions, they give you questions indirectly. So they can give you like to point out, mark the biggest lagoon in the world. This is the Chilka Lake. Here is a point you can see there is the Chilka Lake. Okay, this in the eastern, that is the rivers flowing in the eastern Ghats. The very first is Mahanadi. Then you have Mahanadi. Then you have Godavari. Then you have Krishna, and just below Krishna, the below river, the river which is flowing below or the tributary is the Tungabhadra, river Tungabhadra. Then here you have Tungabhadra. Then you have Kaveri. Then this is the Kaveri river. Forgot to mark in my map. It is the Kaveri river. Yes. Once again I'll repeat. There is Mahanadi. Then you have Godavari. Then you have Krishna, and Krishna you have the tributary of Krishna, that is Tungabhadra. You can say that is like we say Krishna and Balaram. So that is Krishna's tributary is here Tungabhadra, and then you have the Kaveri here. Just there you have the Park Strait. This is the Park Strait here. The Park Strait here. Then you have the Gulf of Mannar, just below Park Strait, and here in between Sri Lanka and India we have the Gulf of Mannar. We have the Gulf of Mannar. This side is the Andaman Sea. This side is the Andaman Sea. Yes, here we have the Khambhat, Gulf of Khambhat, and here is Kutch. Yes, Kutch is Gulf of Kutch. Up, the up was that is here in the like the top part is the Gulf of Kutch, and here you have is the Gulf of Khambhat. And this side we have the western flowing rivers. There are only two rivers which are flowing in the western Ghats, which is Narmada and Tapi. Narmada is always the upper part. This is the upper line that you see, the black line. This is the river Narmada, and below we have is river Tapi. River Tapti is the river Narmada and river Tapti. This is what is the, I hope I have not missed out any. I told you the Yamuna and its tributaries also. This is Chambal, Betwa, and Son. Here we have the Son also. Coming this side is Son. Chambal, Betwa, and Son. Okay, this is the river map which I help out my students in learning. So east, west, north, south, and the central part. So in the northern part we have Indus and its tributaries. In the eastern side, when we talk about the seven sisters, we have to the extreme east we have the Brahmaputra. In the central or in the northern plains of India or in the foothills of the Himalayas, we have Yamuna and its two tributaries, Ganga and its tributaries. Then this side we also have, just below that we also have the Damodar. Then we have the eastern Ghat rivers flowing, that is the rivers flowing in the eastern Ghat. Then we have rivers flowing in the western Ghat. And here we have the Gulfs, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambhat, Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait, Andaman Sea. This is all about in this map, river map of India. I'll help you out with more maps in my other videos. Okay, we'll stop here with this map. Then it was like you try to practice. If you have any doubts, you can give me in the comment section. If you have any doubt, clarity required in the map pointing. And yes, do mark your maps, like river maps, with a blue pencil. That is blue pencil. Okay friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then do subscribe to my channel. And if you do like my videos, please like and share, and share with your friends. And also please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you, because pre-boards are just around the corner and boards are also about to come. So this is a time period to study hard, to struggle hard, so that you score good. Okay, struggle, work hard, and score good. See you soon in the next video. Follow me for more. And yes, of course, you can say along with me, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Thank you friends. Bye.